In today's Pilates bar workout, we are going to improve and maintain our muscle strength, our posture, and our flexibility. All of the exercises will be done on the floor, each one 45 seconds in duration with a 15-second break in between. You guys, I'm super excited to share this with you because as you know, as we become older, these things become so much more important for us. Muscle mass, bone density, flexibility, and improving our strength so that we can continue to live independent, active lives. So having said that, pick up your bar, put the straps under your feet, and let's get started. All right, with the first one, we are going to extend back, hold, and come back up to start. Abdominal muscles pulled in, back towards your spine. And your core is doing all the work here. Five seconds left. Very nice. Okay, the next one, we're going to go down to the floor, back pressed into the floor, legs tabletop position, arms straight up. And we're going to alternate left to right legs, extend out to the floor, and return. Once again, lower back, press to the floor. And keep in mind, if at any point you need to have extra resistance on this bar, take this strap, pull it up towards the bar, and hold on to it. Couple more. And relax. And the next one, we're going to take these legs straight up, and they're going to go out and then back in. It's like we're drawing a circle with our feet. Ten seconds left. Very nice. All right, you're gonna sit up, get ready for some loads. All right, pull this bar in towards your chest and return. And once again, if you need more resistance, pull that strap in a little bit tighter to this bar, and instant extra resistance. And when you pull this bar back, squeeze those upper and back muscles together. And last one. Next one is a bicep curl. Bar towards your lap, and then you're going to curl it up to your chest. And remember to keep these abdominal muscles engaged, protect that spine. That's one thing that we fail to do when we're sitting. We don't keep these core muscles engaged. And that's one thing to be mindful of. Last one. All right. And the next one, we're going to do a lat pull down. Okay, this bar goes up and then back behind our head. Arms extended to the very ends of this bar. And when we pull down, we can feel the muscles in our shoulders, our tricep muscles, and our upper back being engaged. And last one, you guys, bar down. Excellent work. High five. 6 simple, effective exercises that you can do that checks all the boxes. Strengthening our muscles, improving our flexibility, and also improving our posture. You guys, you can do this by itself or stack it on with one of my low impact cardio exercises. I'll leave a playlist in the card above and also in the description. And I want to thank you all so very much for being here. If you know anyone that would benefit from what we are doing here on this channel, please do share it, and also please do remember to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you guys, and remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and I will see you all right here real soon in the next exercise.